You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name from Italian. We'll look at how you can pronounce it in Italian, the Italian pronunciation, and the English pronunciation. Italian. Colicchio. Because you have a double CH, it's pronounced like a K, but the double C makes it that you want to stress on that K sound. This is why it's pronounced Colicchio. In English, similarly, Colicchio or Colicchio. Adjutant. Adjutant. Stress on the first syllable. Adjutant. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.